How you can make money with Amazon. Making money off the internet has been everybody's aspiration ever since the internet was invented, and with good reason. Making money online has been a successful income stream for those who have mastered it, and you can bet that making money with Amazon is not an exception. In fact, making money with Amazon is one of the safest and best ways to make money online, because it offers a complete infrastructure where it only matters what you have to offer and how much people end up liking it. Amazon will take care of the rest. Whether you offer a professional service or an innovative product, Amazon has a way to monetize it. Here are some of the many ways in which you can make money with Amazon. Sell on Amazon. With over 95 million unique monthly visitors, it is safe to assume that you have used Amazon before, mostly to buy something. What if we tell you that you can become the one that sells something to those 95 million people? That's right, Amazon is a gold mine, and you might not have realized it until now. That is precisely why you are watching this, and we have good news for you. If you have a product, there are millions of people willing to buy it on Amazon. No matter if you want to sell some of your old collectibles or if you want to try selling your art. Whatever it is, you can sell it on Amazon. Sell your services on Amazon. We are aware that the vast majority of people know that Amazon is the place to go when you want to buy goods online. But did you know that it will also allow you to sell your services? Yes. Finally, a fail-safe alternative to posting your services on those online classified ads that only bring headaches. Selling services on Amazon allows professionals to offer their services in an organized manner in their area of residence, making it easier to arrange schedules and payments, while also making it easier to reach a wider audience, helping skilled pros go from salesmen to businessmen. Sell on Amazon Business. Amazon is a platform that is tailored for both individual and corporate merchants. It offers a seller a central location for their business to operate. Once you grow as a seller and start your own business, you'll find out that you will require more resources and a more refined system to operate. And that's exactly when Amazon Business enters the picture. Amazon Business provides merchants with automation systems, workflow systems, payment approval systems, and other features that help businesses greatly simplify and streamline the purchasing process for companies in a given business supply chain. What once took companies a trip to a factory can now be done from a smartphone and get it ready in an afternoon. Sell your apps on Amazon. These days, it is easier than ever to create apps and games. What used to take several software engineers and years of production now only takes months, often weeks, and can be done without coding skills. It only takes a great idea and creative, driven people to create and sell amazing apps and games. What is often omitted is that once an app or game is released, you have to figure out where and how to sell it. Amazon has an awesome solution for that in the form of the Amazon App Store. The Amazon App Store allows developers to reach app-hungry customers in 236 countries around the world and unrestricted access to tools to further improve, market, and monetize their creations. Become an affiliate. Are you good at recommending stuff to people? Do you like to review video games and movies on the internet? Maybe you are a computer buff and love to write extensively about what you like and don't like about new technology. Maybe you like talking about geeky stuff like comics, memorabilia, and other cool stuff. It might surprise you to learn that you can become an Amazon associate. Create a niche website to talk about product recommendations and get paid for every customer that purchases on Amazon through your site. Everybody loves Amazon, so you're more than guaranteed a steady affiliate income. Advertise your products. Amazon, being the unquestionable leader of the online retail world, knows a thing or two about advertising. Hence, it offers a platform to advertise your products. Advertising products on Amazon is mainly targeted at merchants who want to boost sales of the products they have listed in the Amazon Marketplace. But there are other advertising objectives available as well. Amazon is one of the most revered platforms by ebook self-publishers around the world because Amazon offers them advertising tools to help them reach new audiences in specific genres and promote backlist titles alongside new releases. If you sell something that does not fit the Amazon Marketplace, or if you simply wish to use your own sales channel, you can still advertise your products or services to the millions of ready-to-buy Amazon customers on a global scale. You can also market your apps with a few clicks of your mouse. Self-publish with Amazon. If you want to self-publish a book, or if you want to create something that you think major publishing houses are likely to pass on, Amazon is the place for you. Amazon has 3 different platforms for all self-publishing flavors: CreateSpace for print books, Kindle Direct Publishing for digital books, and ACX for audiobooks. Each platform will allow you to retain a degree of control over your work not possible any other way, with a global audience ready to get its hands on your masterpieces. Become an Amazon vendor. Amazon gives the opportunity to those with a supply chain to become an Amazon vendor, not by simply listing on Amazon, but by selling their products to Amazon itself. That's right. If you plan to sell goods such as electronics or beauty products, you can sell them directly to Amazon. You just have to supply and get paid. They'll take care of everything else.